Make a great choice today with the 2018 Rogue Sport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, turn-by-turn navigation, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.